Welcome to our van life with our three dogs, episode 107. We took a trip to Bodega Bay in Sonoma County, California, and stayed at Doran Beach, where we had amazing views of the ocean. Here we show you around the campground, and thank you all for joining in.
Taking a quick little trip up the coast. This is Bodega Bay. It's our second time here and our first time with this little ragamuffin, Honeybee. So we wanted to get out a little bit. It's been really rainy. We're on the fence of even coming out here today, but as you can see, it has cleared up. It's a beautiful sunset kind of behind me with some pink clouds, and this is such a cool spot. We're on the jetty on what's called Doran Beach. It's a beautiful, really nice spot. We're kind of on the edge, so we have some privacy, and we're right in between the waterway that the boats take out and then out to the ocean behind us. So we are gonna definitely explore the beach and get a little things going, but we got here a little bit late, and we are cooking up some Filipino cuisine tonight, as you have been used to seeing us. So making a little sauteed broccoli first, get a little greens for Pia especially, and then we're gonna do some adobo chicken, super comfort food on a holiday weekend, and we're excited to show you the rest of the campsite and how Honey and Bo are enjoying it. This is our first trip in the van without Chewbacca, who we lost last week, and it's bittersweet because we miss her. We miss all of our lost pups, but it's going to be a whole new adventure with just the two of them for now and us. Hey, the shippies. Going fishing. Didn't notice this last time, but they have walk-in campsites here with fire pits. This is the payoff on the jetty sites, right to the beach. So this is a cool little idea. Lots of people are pulling up their van and launching kayaks over here on the jetty and heading out to the ocean. It's a pretty calm day today, so not bad. And I didn't notice over here too, there's a little road that goes up the hill to, looks like another beach spot. And we are getting our day going. We had a grievous error and forgot coffee this trip. Thankfully it's only one breakfast. But we are doing brunch. Hey, what you barking at? We got toast going, avocado ready, and eggs hitting it with the view. This little girl is cold. Got our sweater on. Get some sunlight on this face. We're out here exploring Bodega Bay. We had some fun breakfast. It's a beautiful day. We escaped the rain for a little bit and we're gonna go do a little hikies. See what we can see. A lot of our neighbors have already headed home, as you would imagine, for Easter Sunday. But we're gonna be here all day and relaxing and having a little day up in the North Bay. Definitely not going to be swimming today. Pia's wearing about 3 layers. That guy's got the electronic surfboard out there. Bench here by the right on the beach, so beautiful view, but it's definitely worn out a bit, so you gotta hike up or be really tall to enjoy this bench because of all the sand that's gone out of it. So it's the donated family benches, so thanks to everybody who's donated this, and the Doran Beach at Bodega Bay. Welcome back to Van Doggies, everybody. We are Sean and Pia, and we have Boba and Han Solo here relaxing on the beach today. And it's a very chill Sunday. We got some really nice weather. It's been raining in our area for most of the week, so we're just kind of enjoying the sun and getting some relaxation time. How do you feel, Pia?
I ended up falling asleep while we were sitting out here, so it's so relaxing.
We decided to head back to the van because some huge waves came up. So we're gonna hunker down for a bit. It was blowing a little crazy, as you can see both sides on the jetty. Big waves coming in, and out there you can see really big waves outside the jetty. So we're gonna get cleaned up, start cooking. Reporting live, this is Sean. We have gale force winds finally starting to die down. While I was cooking dinner, and thankfully little one pot meal, doing some chili Colorado kind of poor man style. The wind So you can see behind me, it's knocking the phone kind of around in my hand. It is got really windy here in Bodega Bay. Definitely get a force wind. Feels like it came up kind of out of nowhere. It was a really peaceful Sunday out here on the water. Thankfully, it didn't bring a storm in yet, but it was so windy that everything was blown around. My shoes blew away. We were able to kind of clean up camp, and a lot of people did as well. But as you can see, it's still going. There's some whitecaps in the channel, which is fully protected. It kind of came in from a different direction too, so it's gonna probably be blowing here for a little bit longer. It's about 6:30, and we're gonna be eating here soon. But thankfully, we were able to retire to the van and seek shelter. So we'll keep reporting live here on scene at the craziness here in Bodega Bay. So that's where our campsite is. This is the channel inside the jetty. On the channel, and it's about, I'd say, low 50 degrees, so it's a cold wind out of that. It's how things really change. Showed the amphitheater. That's where the showers are. Sewer drain. And they got oh man, the beach has cleared out. Big fire pit. Good morning. Another beautiful morning on the water.